Here we are, almost at the end of the 4th workshop out of 5. We started the journey in February 2018. Project was confirmed the November before that, so in 2017 we had high expectations which are mostly fulfilled. The first one was a bit chaotic, a bit too long in Heidenheim, but people had fun and the interaction was really good between the international students. So we had the next workshop at Nelson Mandela in Arusha in August 2018. Students were very active and had really good ideas. And then we had the next workshop in South Africa at Univen in Thohoyandou, which was great, except we had the university on strike, so our colleagues did a miracle and organized a second venue where we had a really good bar camp for 1.5 days and then the hackathon as it was originally planned. So this time we have the event here in Moshi, this time not at one of the universities. We have it with one local partner here, Foot2Afrika, a small Tanzanian NGO. And without them this wouldn't have happened at all. And I think everybody will say it was a fantastic workshop.
Foot2Afrika, as the hosts of EXAKT4YOU Projects 2020, we are very grateful for the positive impact on our community. Every participant have left with one mind that the best way to change narrative in every aspect of our social and business life is to innovate. I have learned and seen a lot of excellent presentation. There have been active discussions, and the purpose of this year has been completely accomplished. Foot2Afrika is looking forward to the continued collaboration as it brings us the hope for the future.
I enjoyed a lot from this EXAKT4YOU. I got to meet new people, I got to experience new ideas, and at some point I said I would leave here as an eligible person who understands where she would be heading with her profession.
At first the workshop is pretty helpful because you can understand each other. I work together with 2 students from Tanzania, so I can really understand how they're thinking, how they're learning in their university. So I think that's a really big part of the whole EXAKT4YOU, because we really work together with 3 different universities from 3 different countries and also from 3 different cultures.
We're trying to find solutions in Africa for Africa, and the innovation program is one way to do it. So we are here for a couple of days. We learn a few of the programs that you need to come up with a good solution, and then try and apply that solution.
I saw this particular project as an opportunity to learn, to work with other institutions, to broaden my knowledge when it comes to international proposal writing, as well as meeting new people. But on the student side, I saw the project as an opportunity for them to learn and get exposure. The students had appreciated, they had a change in attitude when they came back. So they have learned not only in class, but also culturally how things work.
The program from the beginning was very involving, even before I knew people. Now coming to Moshi and then having a real contact with people from different countries, I've seen that union, that friendship, and yeah, the program has been really nice, and it has been a family out of home. People are open, people are lovable, and life is has been really good.
This time it will not just end when the teams pitch their team efforts. The first 2 teams have a ticket to the final event, which hopefully will run as planned either August or September. So in Germany they will look at a business model or business plan for what they're doing here. So here they can look at the inner workings. The business model will be in Germany, and there we hope to include some founders, potential sponsors for a startup phase. So this time we hope we can carry on with that, and we also plan to invite participants from the previous events who had good ideas to also apply, to also join us for this business model, business planning event in Germany. Overall, this has been, I think, a very good initiative. Very thankful towards Baden-Württemberg-STIPENDIUMs for funding it. I think all participating universities learned a lot. We also saw differences, commonalities, so I think it is a really good way to have a short program, very intensive, really understand the local situation.
We are in the second place for EXAKT4YOU 2020 challenge. We are going to Germany. Yay!
We are the winner! EXAKT4YOU 2020! German, go come!